Hi, my name's Dan Drucker, and I'm going to spend the next 2 minutes or so showing you how to put the fun back into accounting with Intacct running on your iPad. As you can see, I'm in my home office today. I've got an iPad too, and I'm connected to the internet in my house over a wireless connection. With that introduction, let's get started. This is the home screen of my iPad. The first thing I'll do is tap on the Intacct logo, which will bring up Intacct's homepage at www.intacct.com. Next, I'll click the login button, which will bring us to the login screen. Here's where I type in my company name, my username, and my password. Now, I want you to notice that everything we do with Intacct on the iPad is fully secure, and all traffic going over the internet is completely encrypted. Once I've got my password typed in, I'll click the Go button to log into the system. The first thing you'll see as we log into Intacct is that a really nice feature is real-time visibility into your company's business. So you're going to see a lot of graphs and charts that you can completely customize, and I can go in and use my finger to scroll up and down the page just like any other iPad application. I can click on a piece of data to get more information. I can click on a graph or a chart to drill down and to see it bigger, and I can swipe on a chart to move between charts. It's really easy to interact with the data and to get a personal feeling of what's going on in your business. The menus I can also use my fingers on. So if I want to see more in the application, I just tap on a menu item. Here in expenses, I'm going to click on the overview so I can see what our company's expense process looks like. And say I want to approve some expenses, all I need to do is tap on that approve expenses icon, which will bring up a list of expense reports that I need to approve. I'll click on one of them that I'm interested in. The expense report comes up, and I can again swipe with my finger to scroll down the page. I want to see some more details, so I'll click on that Show Details button. Expense report looks good to me, so I just click Done, and boom, the expense report's approved. Another way that people use Intacct on the iPad is to report. So this is now our reporting center, which I've tapped on the Report button, and I can see all of my favorite reports. Now, we've tried to make Intacct look a lot like a consumer web application. So I'm going to go to my list of all reports. You'll see that there's more than 200 reports that come with the system. If I want to make one of those reports my favorite, all I need to do is scroll to the one I want, find the report I want to work with, and just click on the little star to add it to my list of favorites. In this case, I'll tap on the balance sheet detail report. And that's it. It's just like using any other website. It's really easy. Now we'll go back to my favorites, and you'll see that balance sheet detail report is now there, and we're off and running. So this is Intacct on the iPad. It works just like any other iPad application. You get real-time visibility. It's very easy to use, and it's a lot of fun. I hope this gave you some great ideas about how Intacct on your iPad can make accounting fun again, can put you back in control, and can make you even more productive. Plus, I can't think of a better reason to justify expensing an iPad. Have a great day.